Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, saws, mills, drills, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over one of our favorite lines, Jet. J-E-T, Jet's been around a long time. They're still around. They're one of the largest in the world of manufacturers of new machinery. They have just about everything. If you look around, you can see we have a lot of machinery in stock, from their mills, their drills, their saws, their lathes. They're right here on the showroom floor, so you can see the difference in quality between this as well as some of the other manufacturers of new machinery and some of the older machinery. We've got it all here on our showroom floors. We'd love to help you out and let you know exactly which machine would be the right one for you. Let us know what projects you have, what type of material you're working with. If you're in a home shop or you're in a full industrial shop, we have the right machine for you. Let us talk to you at 626-444-0311 or check out our website for some great financing options, great delivery options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. This is the DSAN41 Jet Dual Notcher. This is really cool. It has a lot of different notching options in such a small space. You'll also notice this guy's a single phase machine. Comes with some extra belts. You'll notice right here all the different sizes of the spindles that you can put into it. Nice little area here. Quick grinding. Put your tool in at whatever angles you need to. You can change these out, as I say, with the spindles. You'll notice here on the top, nice big wide belt sander. You can use the full size here, do different jobs on that guy, as well as here on the back. You have guards on all of them. You open that up, you can see, you can do your different angles here, set anything up you need to. Really nice, simple, small unit. Different types of grinding uses. You can see here's another disc sander by Jet. They make some great quality machinery, really small. Good compact machinery, comes with a 2-year parts and labor warranty, pretty much the best in the biz. Let us know what you're looking for, what you're trying to grind, and how we can help you out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.